Hey guys, Chris Haskins with the realestateroundup.com and welcome to another flip tip. I want to thank you once again from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for watching my content. You guys are changing my life. I welcome you to comment and subscribe. Good gracious, this is gonna break my back. Subscribe to my channel, guys, like the content, and don't forget to comment so I can bring you what information you want to see. All right, so today we're going to be going to some sites. You're going to see us decapitate a house. These guys are literally taking down the roof, ripping up all the flooring of a property. You're going to see one that we're going to tear down. So we got some good juicy stuff for you today. Nothing too mental, but we're going to get into the physical, like the moving parts of how these houses come down and get put back together. So this is the beginning of the decapitation, and we're going to add a second floor to this property. So another day in the life, and I hope you enjoy. Once again, subscribe to my channel. This is going to be unbelievable when you see these guys tear the roof off of this thing. So watch, enjoy, learn. If I can help you with any of your real estate investing, training, or coaching, or you have any questions about real estate, just put in the comments below and we'll get your question answered. All right, let's get out there to this house. Hey guys, Chris Haskins with the realestateroundup.com. Thank you for joining me for another edition of a day in the life of a real estate investor. We have two locations we're going to take you to today. First is going to be a house that we have under contract. It is a short sale. If you want to learn more about short sales, just subscribe to my channel, and I'll be taking you through a complete short sale transaction. But this one here, our short sale is approved for $40,000, I believe. It's going to be our first location where we stop in, and the second location is going to be a house where we are decapitating it and putting on a second story. So it's going to be some nice stuff for you. All right, so this is our first house here. Might as well take a look at it real quick, Todd. You can roll. Thank you to my brother Smitty. Okay, here, this is our first location. Before I get to the subject property, I want you just to notice across the street here is a new construction. And I love, when I was with home investors, they would always say you have to look around at the area before they would even lend us the money. And Greg Penio, one of my mentors, says the three pillars of real estate is location, finance, and expandability. So on this one here, beautiful scenery across the street. On our property, how we will be expanding this is, it's one lot, one tax parcel now, but it goes from that end of the street all the way down to the other side of that garage. So we are buying one house, but we're going to subdivide it and turn it into two tax parcels, and we're going to build two new houses on this one location. It's going to be sweet. It'll be very sweet. But that's what we call expandability for one location. You have to have an eye for that stuff. That's what kind of, when you look at things, how can we expand what's already there? So we're going to tear this down, and that tree's probably going to have to go because our new house will be there. One will be on that side, and another house will be over kind of on that side there. So it'll be two houses here in a few weeks. So this is the short sale. Has been approved. We'll be closing on this in a few days. I got to get the financing lined up, get everybody's IRAs hooked up, and I'll show you how to borrow money from people's IRAs if that's what you want to do. But yeah, that's it for this. Is the first location. Let's go take a look at the demo, see how we're coming with our second story addition. All right, guys, I'm gonna slide in a special location for you today in between our two. We are here at our new construction. We're just about done. We got an offer, we got the buyer, they're ready to move in. They are ready to move in, and we have to get this thing done. Today we are doing our shutters. Looks very good. Black shutters, nice contrast with the shingles and this nice light siding we got here. All of our landscape went in today. And hopefully inside, we're gonna finally be able to show you the tile shower and the carpets going in. Come on in. You're already married, right, Todd? These are upgraded shutters. I thought it was a nice touch when the builder picked them out. That was very nice. So our handrails went in also for the hold up our overhang here. Remember on our last video we had 2x4s, but these finally went in the other day too. Rolling. Looks like the floor tiles, the carpet's going in. We got going up the steps there. Looks very good. You coming in? Which way you going? This way? Oh, in here? Okay. Let's see what they got upstairs. You can roll tile. Oh man, holy cow. Looking good. We got floor tile going in, baby. We're getting up out of here. I'm sorry, not floor tile. What is this? Carpet. Oh Lord. Looks very good. Carpet going in. They're cutting it in. They're kicking it on in. Looking good, my brother. So let's take a look at our shower. Master shower. The master bedroom feels like a bedroom now, right? With the new carpet. We are trying to get out of this house. Come on in. Okay, so this is our shower. Looks like the shower base finally got done. So the shower base is done. This is the master shower. Finally feels good in here. Let me show you this one little thing we did. I thought was a good touch too. Take a look up here. We got floor tile on the ceiling. So what this does, it actually helps with the moisture that goes up. So when the moisture goes up, you won't have to worry about any of the drywall or the sheetrock hanging down. So we got floor tile all the way around. I thought that was a nice touch. Very nice. So look, we can both fit in here together, brother. This is pretty cool.
Lots of room.
Yeah, okay, so we're done in here. And carpet, tile. Last thing we need to do, last thing that needs to be done is the plumbing. So prayerfully, the plumber will be here tomorrow. Let's go to our next location. All right, guys, we're here at another day of the construction site. We got the wrecking crew here. These guys are unbelievable, actually. They are taking off the roof of this house. Taking off the roof of this house will decapitate this house. Literally. Unbelievable, guys. So what we're doing today was we're taking off all of the trusses up in the ceiling, taking off all the plywood you see is gone and the shingles for the roof of this house. After today, the roof will be gone. And if you look outside, I'll show you as we're leaving, all the lumber is here for the new addition for this property where we're gonna build it up 2 stories in the air. And then once again, I'll show you a picture of it. I'll flash on, you can see the picture of the drawings for our second story. But I'm gonna keep recording here. You can see the floor has already been ripped out. It's unreal. So on the outside also, see how it looks with the ceiling with the roof coming off. You can see down here sometimes with these old properties, you got a lot of moisture damage, and this is from the sink in the kitchen and from the bathroom up against that wall. And what happens is the water just runs down, and then the wood just rots completely. Okay, so we're still here. This is the exterior of the property. You see the guys are taking off all the sheathing, so the shingles. The shingles are gone. They are challenging to get up because I'm sure that the chainsaw doesn't like to cut those. It'll actually destroy the chain. But they're actually literally using a chainsaw to cut this wood off of this property. Good Lord. Look like y'all a tornado in here.
Back door. Not wrong. Back door.
Unreal. So we're still here at the location. Looks like the guys are doing an unbelievable job taking off this roof. You see, it only took a few hours for them to literally just decapitate this property. So the next phase is to get all the wood out, and then you can see the lumber here. So we're gonna go in and start building up our walls and getting our second floor addition started, actually. This is nice. By the way, subscribe to my channel below, guys. It only takes 3 seconds. Give you a lot more information, real estate investing information.